But I'm not gonna lie, man. Saka's the problem. I'm telling you right now. Deep it though. Since Saka's been gone, yeah. Pre my man's performances.
Oh, that's what we're doing, yeah. Okay.
Pre his performances since Saka's been gone, bro.
What about
What about Odegaard? As in, like Saka
Odegaard as well,
wants to
bro.
be the main man, sort of thing. His
Saka's the
last
problem,
goal was at the start of December against Brentford.
He ain't scored in 2026.
Yeah, no, he ain't scored in 2026. He ain't scored this year, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, Saka's a amazing player, yeah. But he don't get us enough goals. I'll be so real. He don't contribute goals.
Ooh, bro, in this season, yeah, 21 games played in the Prem, started 17, only scored 4 goals, 3 assists.
Come on, bro.
17 games.
What are we really doing here? He's
sure.
playing well, like consistently playing well, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Pulling
yeah.
defenders out of position, cool, but bro, goals win games.
You need the output.
We need the output, bro. You got players like Bowen for West Ham.
Yeah,
I swear he's on like 9 goals or something.
Yeah, let me find how many goals he's on.
Come, aye, yo.
So take him to the World Cup then.
What? Bowen,
Yeah,
why
we will
not?
take Bowen to the World Cup.
Why not?
Yeah, another left-footed winger. I do think that has gone a little bit under the radar though.
His PR's too strong, man.
Yeah.
Saka's PR is, oh my god.
God's child in that. I do think
over the roof.
I agree though.
Chelsea's back, right?
Yeah. I agree. I think he does affect the game in that,
he
but
does.
also his output is
It's not the greatest, bro.
it's yeah.